Hello and welcome to a new tutorial. In this video I'm going to showcase how to transfer a Daz animal into Unreal Engine. In previous videos I've showed you how to transfer a character similar. If you notice something missing in this video, you can revert back to the old video. It will show you a bit more details, but I think this should encompass the whole process. Stay tuned. First thing, we're gonna make sure that the fixed bone rotation and zero rotation are ticked. Those are very important when you import Daz animation, so they're not screwed up. This is usually the case with characters and animals. Now we're gonna import it into the project. It's up to you to how to get the character into Daz. That's another process. We're gonna search it usually in animals. Yeah, there's it. Just drag it. Now the next step is to go to file and export into Unreal. So you can select file, export, or send to, then Daz to Unreal. This is the plugin. I show you how to do it in previous video. Just export as is, as shown in the settings. Use the same settings. Now it will automatically go to Unreal Engine, start importing. It will take some time. If you want to see how to install the Daz to Unreal plugin, there's a previous video on that. I'm not gonna discuss it here. So we're just gonna import the dog here. So now here's it. Now if you go to the drawer, you're gonna see the dog folder and with various assets like the skeletal mesh and the skeleton. There's no animation, so we're gonna go now to Daz and try to create the animation. There's various forms of animation in Daz, but we're gonna use the Aniblock and animate. So we're gonna select one of the animations and open the timeline. Yeah, as you can see, it's moving. So we're gonna drag it to the anime light, because animate is the official Daz animation. Timeline is mostly to fix stuff, or if you were gonna do time frame based animation, if I'm not mistaken.
So as you can see, it's moving in place. We want it to stop. Most animations are stationary in place. We want it to be in place, so we're gonna go to frame 0 and we're gonna choose the hip. We're gonna lock the X and Z. Leave the Y as is. Let's run it and see. Perfect. This is a quick fix.
As you can see now, it's running and looping quite nicely. So now we're gonna put the marker back to beginning, then export Daz to Unreal. Just select animations and accept. Now it will go to Unreal Engine. We'll go to Unreal. You can see that there's a new file. It's animation sequence. We're gonna do some tidying, then double click on the file. The issue is it's not animating. We're gonna see why.
One thing to note, if you change the translation here, you have to rebake it. So you have to do like baked studio keyframes again, then send it to Unreal. Now when you play accept, it will go there. I already did that, and you can see now that the animation is working perfectly.
So that's it for now. Stay tuned for next video in the series. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. This is very important so that I can make more videos. It takes a lot of time for me to fix issues, come up with the ideas, video record them and stuff, and then edit. I would really appreciate it. Thanks.